Hi and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you two ways that you can make money online regardless of where you are in 2026 and beyond. The first method of making money online is through affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is where you sell a product or a service that belongs to a company or someone else, and they tell you thank you for doing this or for bringing us a customer by giving you a small commission. We have sites like Amazon and Digistore 24. Those are like the most common ones, especially around Africa. And there's also Commission Junction and also other direct companies or providers like the hosting companies. You can sign up with them directly. But for today, I'm going to show you two ways that you can make money online using affiliate marketing and another method that I'm going to reveal to you in a few minutes. So here is a site called Digistore 24. It's free to sign up. You can be able to sign up as an affiliate and begin making money online by selling their products. So once you sign up to Digistore, you're going to go to Marketplace and look at all offers in the marketplace. So the first, you cannot be selling everything. So the first thing that you need to do is decide on the niche that you want to market. It can be manifestation, it can be relationship, it can be parenting, it can be wealth. So those are the most profitable or the most like evergreen niches. So you just need to come to the marketplace and then look around for the product that you want to sell. Of course, you'd want to look at how much you will be making. So this one is giving out 16% on every sale that you make. And the beauty about being an affiliate is that once your business is just to send a client or a lead to the owner of the product, and your business stops there. You don't have any controls, or you're not liable to shipping or customer service. So it's them to handle all that. Now, so your job is to make sure that you send leads, you are aggressive in marketing, send as many leads as possible to your links, of course, without spamming. In this case, is creating content that is beneficial, that adds value, 100% genuine content. Get leads, send them over, and just sit and wait for your commissions. So there are various ways that you can be able to niche down by research or just by looking at the niches that I mentioned. So assuming you want to sell digital products, if your niche is in animal and pets, maybe you already have a page or a channel that talks about animals, that talks about betting, that talks about music, about how to make money online, how to invest, insurance, email marketing, family and children, relationships. You can just go and look for a product that is related to what you're interested in selling, or what you feel you be able to create content every other day without getting bored or without running out of ideas. And of course, we have AI. It will help you to come up with content that you can create content on. So there are those that automatically will give you a link, like this one, promote now. There are those ones that you need to apply. It's very easy to request promotion. To apply, you just need to do this. Become a better lover. So assuming you want to get into manifestation, you just need to come and see what this product is about. Okay. And then using the method that I had mentioned earlier, and I'm going to link the system.io funnel building video at the description, you can begin by creating a free guide on manifestation, or specifically manifesting love. And then once you send this to people, you're able to collect their email addresses, and therefore now you begin talking to them about this product, because you can either do it, or you can either send people directly to this site by creating helpful content that is really good and people will want to learn more. And so when they click on your link, they will be brought here. The other method is creating a free lead, freebie, so that when you give it to people, then you do an exchange. So they give you their email address, and you're able to make follow-ups and sell to them more products that are related to manifestation. So if this is what you want, you just click on promote now. And there is my promo link. And therefore, if I have a site, maybe a TikTok account, a Facebook account, Instagram, or even a channel that talks about manifestation, inspiration, motivation, they are in between, I can be able to send these products to my leads, or even just leave it under my videos that I'll be creating. So that is the simple way of becoming an affiliate marketing and making money online this year and beyond. The other way is selling products that you can be able to control, and these are digital products. So you can decide to begin selling digital products and keep 100% of the sales. So what happens with this method of making money online is that you get a whole bundle. Like for example, this is a 17 products bundle. So you can be able to break them up and sell them individually, depending on the niches that you're at, or even resell them as a bundle. So you can resell to people who want to begin making money online or making a passive income. And you can sell to them as a whole bundle. If you already have a niche, a specific niche, like for example, manifestation, then you can be able to sell like all these seven products within this bundle to your customers. So it has the kids bundle, it has the small business bundle, it has the Airbnb, it has the Etsy and Pinterest bundle, the pet bundle, the wedding bundle. And apart from this, it also comes with training on how to sell digital products and mastering Facebook ads. You also learn, you also get access to let me show you. You also get access to all this. You get access to more training on Canva, affiliate marketing, email marketing, faceless marketing, ChatGPT, monetization. There's a lot that you get from this bundle. So if you choose to go into affiliate marketing, then you can go with the example I gave of Digistore. But if you want to be in control of the pricing and everything, you can go for this kind of business, which is reselling digital products that you don't even have to create. And the beauty about this is that all these links are editable. So you're able to access this using Canva. So once you open it in Canva, you can add your logo, add your name, add any other content that you wish, and own it and sell it. So the next thing that you need to do is to create social media pages, begin creating content. You can even create faceless content and leave a link. You can create a link tree link and send people to that link and begin making money online. So I hope this has been helpful. All the links are at the description, and I hope to see you on the next one.